Once again, a very happy new year to everyone. Hopefully, this year, the extent of the pandemic of COVID 19 will be diminished all over the globe. Now, coming back to business, in this video, solution to the problem number 54, which was uploaded on 1st January of 2021, will be discussed. This is also the right time to mention that this problem, that is problem number 54, is of same type as the problem number 50 on this channel, which was set in the entrance test of the year of 2015 conducted by the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, that is TIFR, for admission to their institution of repute and was uploaded on this channel on 27th December of 2020. Now, to begin with the solution, expression for temperature over the surface with cylindrical symmetry is rewritten from the question in equation 1. So, for the time being, please pay attention to equation 1. But most rapid flow of heat will take place in the direction opposite to the direction of the fastest rise in temperature, which occurs along gradient of T. So, heat will flow most rapidly along minus gradient of T. So, here basically the task is to find out unit vector n cap along minus gradient of T. This is the basic concept for the problem. This is the basic concept employed in solving this problem. So this entire thing is written down on the board. Please understand it. Please understand this topic. Please understand this underlying concept of the problem with great deal of importance. For the sake of understanding only, this entire concept is written on the board. So now n cap should naturally be defined as in equation 2. So for the time being, pay attention to equation 2, which defines n cap. So now, gradient of T is found for cylindrical polar coordinate as shown in equations 3a and 3b. Please pay attention to this pair of equations 3a and 3b. Especially equation 3a is a pretty long equation, so please pay careful attention to these two equations 3a and 3b. Magnitude of the gradient of the temperature is found as shown in equation 3c. So now pay attention to equation 3c. Plugging equations 3b and 3c in equation 2, n cap is found as shown in equation number 4. Equation number 4 is the last equation for this problem, and naturally its importance can hardly be underestimated. I repeat, I beg your pardon, its importance can hardly be overestimated. So please pay attention to equation 4, which is the last equation for the problem. And from this equation, it should be clear without any confusion or without any doubt whatsoever that option B is the correct answer. A fact that is accommodated just above equation 4 and adjacent to equation 3b. So I hope that the solution is clear to everyone after watching this video. Thanks for watching this video, and once again a very happy new year to everyone.